Welcome back to our channel, my dear viewers. Today, we will embark on a rather practical and handy do-it-yourself project. The installation of an extra USB upgrade kit for your passengers to utilize, specifically optimized for the older Lexus GX460 models, which, regrettably, lack a USB port for your rear passengers. But do not despair. With this upgrade, you'll be able to provide your passengers with a comfortable and convenient charging experience. As always, you can find the link to purchase the kit in the description below. So let's not waste any time and get straight to work, shall we?
Or the first thing you want to do is pop out these leather panels. All right, we'll start over here. Take your pry tool and then start prying this leather panel out. Should come right off like that. There you go. Once you have these side panels removed, twisting your shift knob counterclockwise, you should be able to remove it just like this. Nice. You should be able to remove this cup holder part by lifting this part right here. Basically that whole piece should be able to come out. And then there you go. You remove your cup holder. And then now to remove this this part of the center console, you're gonna have to start your car. Make sure you keep your foot on the brake when you start your car and then put it in neutral. And then now you should be able to pull that out. You can put this back in park. For reference, this is your shift knob, and then these are the two wires you want to tap into using the T-taps. First, we want to see which one's positive and which one's negative. So we're using this tester here. Remove this to access that part better. There you go. Pop that out. It gives us more room to work right here. We want to tap into this part right here. Say 16 gauge. I'm gonna cut just enough of it so that you could tap in. Basically want to expose some of the shielding there. Some pliers. Clip this down. And then there you go, you got it T-tapped. This white one is positive, and then this black one is negative. That's T-tapped in. Now we're going to do the same thing to the negative part. Just want to cut it open enough for there to be contact with the inner wire. So the shield, you just want to open it up a little. That looks like it needs a little bit more. Okay, there you go. Now that you have that, find your other T-tap. And then you want to apply it like this. Take your pliers and once you hear the snap, it should be locked. And there you go. Reconnect this part right here. And now you have your positive and you have your negative over here. Just so we remember, I'm gonna mark this one as positive here. Now we'll test out if the T-taps work. All right, first you want to add this to here. So black, red is positive, and then your black one is negative. Okay. Now when you have that in there, you want to take the wire with the black stripe, positive. And then this is your negative here. Now you want to start your ignition and see if that turns on. There you go. It turns on. Now what you want to do is turn off your ignition. Make sure you unplug this negative and this positive. Put this kit to the side. All right. So now we know our T-taps work. Now what you want to do is open this part, get your pry tool, and right here you want to pry that open. And then there you go. Pry this open. And then this whole back part should be able to come out. And there you go. What we want to do is drill in this vicinity here. So I'm thinking of drilling either here or here. What we want to do is see if we install it here, if it's going to hit any of the vents. So the wire from the front's going to lead through this. The wire is going to go from here down through here. Make sure it's not touching any metal or rubbing. Feed it through here. Go through here. And we're going to connect it to the USB port with the USB-C to here. So you want to remove this black plug. And you want to remove this bottom plug here. There you go. Now you can take this and we're gonna drill it out right here. All right, so I mark this area right there where I'm gonna drill. All right, you want to create a guide. What you want to do is drill a little hole through there. Take your hole saw. With that hole you made, and slowly bore in. Now you have a hole. Take your USB charger kit and screw this in here. I'm gonna adjust this cover so that it sits like this. And just make sure that's snug. That's not going anywhere. Now you just want to put it back together. This one, just keep routing it through. It should make its way out through back here. There you go. This red one is positive, so you want to connect that to the positive side. And then this black one is negative. Connect that to the negative side. Reconnect this part here that we unplugged earlier. There you go. And just piece this back together. And just like that. You have your wires here. This is your fuse, so if that charger ever blows, you could change the fuse here and it doesn't mess up the car fuse. So remember, black stripe, positive. Wire without the black stripe, negative. There you have it. Now, you just want to make sure that this has some wiggle room. Zip tie this part down over here. I'm gonna give this some slack. There you go. Just make sure this has enough slack. I'm gonna clip this back in. Part that we took out earlier. And then now, I want to do what you did earlier, but in reverse. First we'll test this all out, see if we did it correctly. Alright. Come back over here. And we have a working USB and USB-C plug. There you go. When you're not using it, you just turn it off. And then put that cover on.
As we come to an end of our DIY tutorial, my viewers, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for tuning in. Your enthusiasm and passion for learning are what makes this channel so vibrant and special. For those of you who are keen to try this kit for yourself, I invite you to follow the link provided in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Your feedback is always welcome and appreciated. Until next time, I wish you peace and love in all your endeavors.